Plant FAQs. Anthurium Superbum. Anthurium Superbum. Unveiling the bird's nest Anthurium's beauty and care secrets. Greetings, plant enthusiasts. I'm Superbum, and today, we delve into the fascinating world of the Anthurium Superbum, also known as the bird's nest Anthurium. This captivating plant boasts unique foliage and a rosette-like growth pattern, making it a standout in any indoor space. But before we dive into its care specifics, let's address some of the most common questions surrounding this tropical wonder. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What is an Anthurium Superbum? The Anthurium Superbum is a captivating member of the Araceae family, native to the lush rainforests of Ecuador. It thrives in warm, humid environments and boasts stunning, broad, pointed leaves. The vibrant green foliage often features a captivating, dark purple underside, adding depth and intrigue. What makes the Anthurium Superbum special? This Anthurium variety stands out for its unique growth pattern. Unlike its flowering cousins, the Superbum focuses on foliage. Its leaves unfurl in a rosette fashion, creating a mesmerizing, nest-like structure, hence the nickname, bird's nest Anthurium. This architectural form brings a touch of the tropics indoors and complements various design styles. Is the Anthurium Superbum easy to care for? The good news is, the Anthurium Superbum is considered a relatively easy care plant, making it ideal for both seasoned plant parents and beginners. Here's a quick rundown of its key needs. Light. This rainforest native prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Consistent watering is crucial, but avoid overwatering. Aim for the soil to be slightly moist, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Humidity. As a tropical plant, the Anthurium Superbum thrives in high humidity. Grouping plants together or using a humidifier can create a more favorable environment. Temperature. Maintain a comfortable room temperature between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. Opt for a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for aroids like Anthuriums. How does the Anthurium Superbum compare to other Anthuriums? There are over 1,000 species in the Anthurium genus, offering a diverse range of shapes, sizes, and flowering habits. Here's a quick comparison of the Superbum to two popular varieties. Anthurium andrianum. This widely recognized Anthurium features heart-shaped, glossy leaves and produces showy, long-lasting flowers in vibrant colors. It requires similar care to the Superbum, but might need slightly more light for optimal flowering. Anthurium crystallinum. Often called the Velvet Queen, this Anthurium boasts velvety, textured leaves with a silvery sheen. It thrives in similar conditions to the Superbum, but prefers slightly less humidity. Additional tips for Anthurium Superbum success. Fertilize. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize your Anthurium Superbum with a balanced, diluted fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. Repotting. Repot your Superbum every 1 to 2 years or when the roots outgrow the current pot. Choose a pot with drainage holes slightly larger than the root ball. Cleaning. Gently wipe down the leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and promote healthy growth. By following these simple guidelines, you can ensure your Anthurium Superbum thrives and brings a touch of the tropics into your home. Remember, consistent care and a watchful eye are key to keeping this unique plant happy and flourishing. In conclusion, the Anthurium Superbum offers a captivating combination of easy care and stunning visuals. With its unique rosette-like growth pattern and vibrant foliage, it's a conversation starter in any indoor space. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance, yet awe-inspiring plant, consider welcoming the bird's nest Anthurium into your home.